Hey, good afternoon. Jenny Jones here, the financial evangelist. Hey, wanted to take a really quick look at AMC and wonder what's the big buzz about AMC and why is everybody over it? Let's talk about some things that jump out at us right away as we look at this stock. This stock has, over the last year, it closed at $4.06, but then it shot up to $50. And a lot of people say, okay, well, I want to get in on the ride up. Well, that's speculative because this is a company, the fundamentals are not even making sense. So over the last 52 weeks, over the last year, this stock has been low as $1.91. Now, if you bought it at $1.91 and you rode it at least to $40 or at least $5, you would have made money. But the problem is that's all speculative investing, right? And so what happens is if you come down here and you look at the fundamentals of this company stock, you would see that their total assets are 10.2 last period, but their total liabilities are 13.1. They're paying more than $1.20, $1.30 for every dollar that they bring in. They have $1.30 in debt. So every dollar that they make, they're paying more than that out in debt. This doesn't even have a long sustainable period. And you can even see here back in 19, the end of 2019, the assets were 13.6 and their liabilities were 12.3. That was a thin margin already as it was. And then if you go back here to 2018, same results there, a difference of 1 point. You have to know that this company was already in trouble and already being challenged by some of the streaming services that are out there. This is not good news. I would stay away from this trade. I don't like it. I just wanted to give you some heads up on what's going on. Jenny Jones, financial evangelist. Have a good one.